what's going on? Hey, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare. So I got a flat yesterday. All right, the whole thing, just my stems inside the rim, it's inside the tube. I don't know what happened. It happened to that front caster wheel like about a month ago. I went to my dealership, and so I wanted it done real fast. They were just down the road. They took the tube out, and it was just totally deteriorated. Like the plastic was just like messed up. It just got flat. All right, so what I did, I just bought a whole new caster wheel from them. Those are caster wheels, y'all. All right, so that's a whole new caster wheel. This is the green Bobcat. That's the for the new Bobcats. I just spray painted the orange to black. All right, because they're orange caster wheels now. All right, so in the meantime, this was the one that was flat from over there. I just told them, hey, you know what? While we're at it, can you just put a new tube in this one so I can have a spare? So that's what they did, y'all. So luckily they did that because now this one's flat. All right. So a real quick video. I already got it all loosed up and everything. Okay. So I jacked it up. I put like a jack stand for safety, y'all. Right. I always have a jack stand for safety. It's already loose. All you gotta do, take off the bolt. The nut. All right. And then this comes out. So for that one, y'all, it was like stuck in there, so I had to like put some WD-40, all right, or some blaster on there to get it loosed up. But this one was already loose, y'all. So I took that off. Take these off right here. Now these are tight on here. All right. So I'm gonna have to get these off right here. All right. I'll be back. I'm gonna go and stop the video real quick. All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I had to spray some this on here, okay, to get this cap loose, all right, because you got this in here, all right, this I don't know what it's called, this rod, all right, that has to go in the new one, okay. So I got it out. Okay, this is the old one. Here's the other cap. Okay, I was able to get the cap out. Had to tap it out. I got like a socket, and I was able to like to just tap it out, okay, and it came out. All right, so new tire. I took this out of the old one, put it in there, put this on the other side. You could preferably use a metal, but this metal y'all is working. I got it on here. Okay, both sides. Put it back on. There it is, right there. Line it up. I'll do this now. Now I can see it. There we go. All right. Hey, y'all, you can do this yourself, y'all. It's easy, all right? You can save a lot of money by from preventing yourself from going to a dealership and do this, all right? I initially went to a dealership because it was real close. I was already in the area. I needed a real quick fix. It was only a $25 fee for just for it, to be parked in back of the garage to work on it. At the same time, hey, if you need something else done, get it done right there, okay? All right, because I think they're charging what, $75 an hour, but I was only in there for like a little bit, so it's $25. All right. So I got this on here. tight. Give it an oomph. Give it one more oomph. Alright, so I'm going to take this with me on the road, alright, just in case if I see it loose, you know what I mean. I had to use some blaster because it was rusted in the old tire to get these caps off right here. I'm not sure what they're called, but they go from here to here, okay. Other than that, so, hey, you could do this yourself, alright, you could do this yourself. So I do my own oil change, I do my own hydro oil change. I got a flat tire in the back. I went to Harbor Freight. I bought a tire repair kit. All right, I replaced my own tire. You do your own blades, replace your own blades. I had to replace a spindle. I replaced my spindle, your pulley, your belt. Y'all, you're saving thousands of dollars a year by doing your own maintenance, okay? This right here, I replaced my own caster wheel, okay? So get basic set of tools. It don't gotta be fancy. Go to Harbor Freight, get yourself a basic set of tools, and you could save yourself thousands of dollars by doing your own maintenance or repairs to your equipment. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.